Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need one of these SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you get one of those, you want to take off the cover here if you have one on your phone. There we go. Once you take it off, you can find a tray on the upper left side of the phone. So right over here, push the pin in, and tray pops out just a little bit for you to take it out. And on the tray you have space for one SIM card, or two SIM cards and one SD card. And each have their own dedicated space. So put them accordingly and then insert it carefully into the device. And as you can see, the SIM card is already working. It's asking for the pin. And SD card should be working just as well, as you can see right over here. And that is how you insert them. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.